Like, I just don't feel like it's like both vibes, you know? Happy Friday! So this weekend I'm gonna be doing a little vlog for you guys. Not a typical weekend because I do have some things lined up and that's why I'm recording and filming this. But tomorrow I'm gonna be going to my first boxing workout class with my friends, and Sunday I'm going to this boat birthday party. It should be fun. And today is more like doing work at home and also just cleaning up and getting myself together type of day. So I did some work and now I'm gonna go gym with my friend. Usually I just go to the gym downstairs, but my friend just told me to go to USC Village Gym and we're gonna do some squats. I cannot squat bars, so she's gonna teach me how to. So I just got back from gym. We're gonna go eat some hot pot. It was a productive workout. I was like bench pressing. So basically did push and squat. And now I'm really hungry. So we're gonna go eat some hot pot. Good morning, everyone. So today I'll be doing a lot of things as Saturday. So first we're gonna go boxing and then we have a meeting in the afternoon. Last but not least, we have a dinner with some of my friends, and then tomorrow I'll be going to the boat birthday party with my friends. But I'll take you guys along with me. Okay, so this is the fit. And I'm wearing this bag, even though I just have like my water bottle in it. Right now, I'm gonna go pick up my two friends, and then we're gonna go boxing. Hello. We're gonna go boxing. We just got to the parking lot. Not ready for it. Okay, so we just got what? Earth bar.
We got detox greens and passion something. But yeah. I feel like this one's too like water. There's literally no sugar. Very healthy, super detoxing.
It needs a bit more flavor in my opinion.
But very healthy. Trying to make the chicken look nice on the salad. Flip. So as you guys know, I'm gonna be going to a boat party tomorrow and I want to pick out an outfit. I have a few in mind, so let me know what you guys think. And I look crazy right now just because I have no makeup on and my hair's a mess and I have a fat pimple. But anyways, that's not important. So here are the two outfits. So the first look I'm thinking about going for is like blazer with a short tight dress and boots. So I only have one pair of white long boots and I have this dress. It's like more like Y2K-ish, with like pattern. I don't know if it'll go with the white boots, so I'll probably wear like my docs. This is outfit option number 1. It's like more of like a party vibe. I don't know, it gives like boat vibe. What do you guys think? Tippy toeing so you guys can see the full look. I really like this dress. I don't know if it goes with a blazer though, but I don't have like a white cropped jacket. I have a sweater. I don't know if the sweater would go good with this, but this is the look. Okay, this is another look with a leather jacket. This is more casual, I would say. Like, I just don't feel like it's like boat vibes, you know? You know what I mean? Like, this is more like something where it's like an actual party, not on a boat. Another option. I really like this blazer, just sparkling. With a little black dress, classy, and some white boots. Same dress, but with a different jacket. It's like cropped. It's more classy, and it fits me better. So, what do you guys think? Oh, this is another outfit. My blazer, my yellow blazer with the same dress. I mean, this is okay. I feel like this would look better with like long, like not jeans, black pants or like trousers. I like white trousers for like the spring look. This is the fit. It's like a leather blazer with my skin dress. I promise you guys, it'll look way better with makeup. Hello everyone, today is Sunday. I am getting ready for the boat party. It's kind of cloudy today, it's not the best weather, and I am getting ready like 30 minutes before we have to leave. I'm a bit rushed and I didn't record like half of it. But I'm doing this like makeup hack that I learned on TikTok where you do your like bronzer, your contour, and your concealer. The Hailey Bieber makeup tutorial. So it blends out like nicely. And as you guys may or may not know, I've already picked out my outfit for today. Just because I am scared that I'm gonna be late. This is the boat, we should be there on time. Put it with my finger first. And then I'm gonna go in with a brush and then just blend it out. I'm just gonna go in with some setting spray, but I think it's more blended. It's just my eye bags are so bad. I've like watched so many tutorials on how to cover up dark under circles or under eye bag. It's just none of them works. So if you have any tips and tricks, let me know.